Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you what was inside of ANA's business class amenity kit. This was one I received when flying the room business class on ANA. So it's the Globetrotter brand amenity kit. As you can see, it's kind of like luggage there. So cool presentation, I think. So we have toothpaste and a toothbrush. We've got an eye mask. Got the Shiro toiletry product, so a Shiro face mist, as well as a Shiro lip balm. And you've got some earplugs up to the top there. Now, some interesting things, I guess, to note: no socks, no lotion either, or no fragrance. I wouldn't expect the fragrance, but yeah, the omission of lotion and socks is interesting. You do see that in other amenity kits. So just wanted to share with you the contents of ANA's business class amenity kit. As always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.